everyone! Andito po ulit tayo sa Salad Master Empower Life sa Al Wasl, Dubai. Andito po si Mommy Joy at interview natin kung saan nag-umpisa si Mommy Joy. Sino si Mommy Joy?
Hi, Mom. Thank you. Hi, good afternoon. I am Mommy Joy. I'm 35 years old. Stay-at-home mommy also. I am RN sa Pinas. And then I'm a Fabrius Fire Officer 3 in Philippines. Yes, and then I decided to have a complete family kasi yung mga anak ko, I want them to grow up beside with their dad. That's why I decided to go here in UAE. And then ang business ko po ngayon currently is international drop shipping business. And UAE po is one of the country na nagsuserve ng international drop shipping business under my company. And nagfo-focus po kami sa health and wellness and also skincare cosmetic products. You can reach out to me in the caption below para po mapatunayan ko talaga na talagang kikita ka lang kahit nasa bahay ka. Andito po yung check ko na in-encash ko lang. Actually, less than a month lang ako nag-join dito sa company and kumita agad ako habang nasa bahay lang ako kasama yung mga anak ko. If you are interested po to join or to be part of our company, you can reach out to me and it's a no membership fee po yun. Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy Joy. At yes, kung gusto niyo pong malaman yung about sa dropshipping business ni Mommy Joy, check on the comments below or on the description below. Maraming salamat, Mommy Joy, and I'll see you hopefully next time on our next events.
Yes.